ruin the video, do you?
Ah, look at that. Good morning, everybody. There's our more palm trees for our beloved beach community. So you can see we got a boulevard down here, and these are our palm trees. And we had 80 of them delivered about a couple months ago, and you can see the tops of them coming up. You see how they're greening up really good for us. So out of 80, we got, I think, 2 that are maybe wishy-washy, they're gonna live or not. But isn't that cool how they're how they're working out? Now these are palm trees in Tennessee, and I'm sure everybody's saying, Randy, they're gonna freeze, but we've got an idea of how we're gonna protect our trees if it ever freezes. And we'll show you that in the months to come. We're gonna get ready for the winter. And but we only get a really hard freeze like that, man, maybe every 20, 30 years, you know, but we're gonna protect them. This was my favorite community because I love tropical plants and trees and stuff. So this has been a big dream for me, but we'll see. You know what? I've always taken a chance. May get egg on my face. They all die. I don't know, but you know what? I'm gonna go for it, just like we went for it in this whole community being here in East Tennessee. So come on, let's go look at some palm trees. They just come in from Florida. We got Florida sand on these things. Look at that. Got some beach sand on there, buddy. Yep. There's your balls, your roots. We're gonna pick these up with some straps. We actually gotta set them to the side, and then, cause he's gotta get out of here. So we gotta unload all these trees, and then we'll walk them over in our holes where we're gonna put them. Man, I love these things. Wow. That's a lot of trees, isn't it? Gosh.
We got 40 of them. We got 40 more coming.
Yeah, in a couple hours.
Yeah.
Beautiful. God. Gloria! Get him in the ground! Wow. Tell me, when them tops get all bushy and these get all filled, this is all gonna be shaded in here, man, with them tops filling out. That's gonna look cool, isn't it? Wow. Where's we got all the stakes and stuff piled up somewhere?
I don't know, that was you guys back there.
Okay, we'll bring them out, and then I'm gonna start spray painting all the ground and where we're gonna dig the holes after we unload them.
And once you start digging, you'll know whether it's too muddy.
Exactly. We'll know if there's water coming in or not.
And whether or not it's too muddy for the equipment to be back there.
Yep.
It might start sinking.
Hey, this is Gloria. She's my drill sergeant for the palm trees. She's taking it on. You answer phones for us?
I answer
Emails?
phones, emails, landscaping, errands. You got it, I got it.
Yeah. Bought me cabbage last night for Ace's foot.
That was hilarious.
We were both in Food City at the same time.
I texted him, I said, I'm picking up cabbage. A customer recommended some cabbage leaves to wrap because it has anti-inflammatory qualities. And I texted him, I said, I'm picking up some cabbage for Ace. And I turned around and there he is. I said, hey,
Yeah.
here it is.
Well, it didn't last long on his foot. I'll have to wrap it up better tonight. Yeah.
So it didn't stay very long?
It's, the swelling is down. It's going down from everything. But yeah, he chewed on it a little bit, got it off.
So he got breakfast then?
Yes.
But he's going to be
he's
too.
vegetarian. Gosh. All right. Well, there you go. Thank you guys. We'll just show you the beach. We'll come back later on and show you digging them, setting them up. There's so many palm trees. I think it's eventually going to feel like it's like a hedge over the
Wait till
whole.
all the other trees get here.
Oh yeah, we've ordered crepe myrtles. Yeah, we ordered what? Crepe myrtles.
We
Crab
got
apple.
the invoice coming on the crepe myrtle. We had 27 yellow ginkgos, 48 red maples, and then we'll have 50 assorted color crepe myrtles. I had to make sure there was crimson ones.
And before that, we had 80 or 100 crab apples.
We've got 100 crab apples for the grove, and then we've also still got about 300, 400 Leland cypress.
Leland cypress has got a transplant. There you have it.
They're growing massively in my backyard already. They're already branching out and everything. So.
Oh my gosh. Tell me this ain't gonna look awesome when we get done. And I've got a fence going up right there. And it's gonna be a decorative fence. It's gonna look real pretty with wood and metal, and it's gonna be stained from the outside. And we're gonna go shrubs and vines, and that's gonna be a wall so we don't see traffic. Traffic won't see in here. And this is gonna be an oasis when we get done.
Yep.
Yeah. And one day, I hope to pave all this, you know?
And I got a feeling once this is all done, there's a little town somewhere down south that's gonna be sorry they rejected it.
We won't say who.
We won't.
That's right.
Not to be mentioned.
That's right. That's right. You know what? I've always been a late bloomer. I mean, it's just, I don't know if
It
it's,
takes time.
Everything
takes time.
I know if Tom and I were millionaire developers and we had all these
You're not.
investors and stuff, then we could do it overnight, you know?
Yeah.
But we're already looking at acquiring 2 or 3 more pieces of equipment on the mountain. I told Tom, I want this done.
Yeah.
I don't care what we got to do, let's get it done. And then Mother Nature spits on us.
Can
5,
you believe last night? Oh my God.
I'm
Storm was
talking
so bad.
torrential rains. We've had 5 torrential rains in a week.
Yeah. It's scary because did you see the road on 25? It's down about this hard. It's cracked and one part of it's sunken.
Oh, I didn't
it's
see
gonna
that.
Be a sinkhole
Yeah, I've been here for 30 plus years.
on the way to Morristown there. On the 25.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it was cracked. They fixed it. It was cracked again. They fixed it, and the third time the left side of it just sunk.
I'd be curious if we got more rain than we normally get. You know what? There's a palm tree.
Uh-oh.
You better get over there and crack
He's
Cardi
already gonna lean them
on the
hillside.
dirt. Good. All right. Thanks, everybody. We'll come back later on.
Don't call us, we'll call you.
All right. Look at these palm trees. One more shot of my palm trees, Tom. This is like a little jungle in here. And then over here are the palmettos. Now these are supposed to get real big and bushy. So they're gonna have palmettos here. We're gonna do some tall grass. We got some surfboards coming in for some street signs. So yeah. So if you thought that maybe, how in the world are you gonna have a beach community in East Tennessee and on concrete, just like this here, how's that gonna happen? Well, this is how we're doing it. And yeah, I'm taking the chance. Let me walk in this water here. I'm taking the chance by growing palm trees in East Tennessee that's unheard of, but we're gonna take precautionary measures to keep them nice and warm in the winter and wait to see how that happens, all right? You guys stay tuned. We're at 850 Industrial Road in Newport, Tennessee. That's East Tennessee. Come see us.